What's up, mi gente? Today we're going to be making some marinara spaghetti with some cooked lobster and some shrimp. Follow along. First, we'll start by taking out our lobster, allowing them to thaw out, and adding some butter to our pan. Once they're nicely thawed out, we're going to add them to the pan and cover them. And don't forget the garlic. Now time to boil up our spaghetti and detail our shrimp. Add some adobo, just like so. And now let's check on these lobsters. Now we are going to be taking out our lobsters out of the pan. Now into that same pan, we are going to be adding on our shrimp with the butter and the garlic cloves and a little bit of Italian seasoning. After giving them a good stir and allowing them to simmer, look at them, they look absolutely amazing. Now let's move on to our spaghetti. We'll be adding on our basil marinara sauce and giving it a really good stir. And now it's time to plate. Look at this. This dish looks absolutely amazing. It is a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend it. If you guys enjoyed this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.